another day, another video. Not another day, another video actually. This board has been lying with me since last 2 years. Yes, last 2 years. This has a dead SMC. This had a dead SMC. So this MacBook had a dead SMC, due to which the SMC was shorted actually. So 3V42, 3.42 volt rail was shorting to ground for about 3 ohms to ground. So when I injected power into this line, it was showing the short on the SMC. So once the SMC has been solved, I started getting the light on the charger, but again the MacBook was not turning on. And when I deep dived into the issue, and that issue was, let me show you on the microscope. And the issue was this: power supply for the RAM was not working. So I had to run a tiny wire to restore the power for the RAM. And once it got restored, the machine started booting. So this is an 820-3437 logic board. Speaker is connected. So this is the board. So this is the power supply. Let's connect and check. So we have a green light, we have an orange light. It's taking 700 milliamps. The fan is spinning, it stopped. It will spin again. It is spinning again. It will stop again. It's the third time now. Now it will start chiming. You can listen to the startup chime. Now it is 500 milliamps steady at 18 volts. So now the fan will not stop spinning. So this is an 2013 to 15 MacBook Air, which turns on off for 3 times, and for the third time it will start working. So now this board has been fixed after 2 years. You can see the CPU is warm, it is working. So I am connecting the power supply. Green light, fan spin, orange light. It stopped, it will start again. Started, stopped, startup chime, Apple logo, I have to cover the client's name. So it booted, MacBook fixed. That's all for now. Thank you so much. One more win after 2 long years. Cheers to that. Thanks for watching.